we're making more stuff.
Yeah, we're so original. Anyway,
Content.
so guys.
Yes, it's dark out. It is currently almost 6 o'clock.
That's not that
It's
late.
5:30. But
Oh,
you know,
listen
it's still
here.
really dark.
So, we're gonna be making more food because you guys like the other one apparently. You like pumpkin pies? And wait, yeah.
It's our most viewed.
And
And our second viewed is actually another cooking one. So we're gonna make another one. And you saw the title, and I hope you're excited. We're gonna show you how to make some Sprite Cranberry.
now, the first thing you need, right, is an egg, okay? I'm gonna bring this right up.
And
See
let
that
me
egg?
tell you, this is the same egg that terrorized us. So,
It cannot be washed.
if
You have to lick it, actually.
You need to literally shove that thing in your mouth, let it swirl around, it get a lot of saliva so it's leaking, and boom. It's perfect.
My dog did that for me.
Ew.
Anyway, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna crack this egg into one of these cups. You see, okay, bringing up the other. Since we didn't really show you the ingredients last time, it's just a cup.
Any cup will do.
It's really cold egg, by the way. It's a cold.
It's cold outside.
Yeah, deal with
Yeah.
it. Anyway, so you're gonna want to crack that in there. You wanna do that?
Yeah. It didn't work. No. Okay, let's try that again.
Saved! Let's actually, no, don't actually throw it in there.
Remember this tool from last time? Yes. You want to get your good old knife. This isn't actually a knife, it's a
Actually,
trowel.
put the egg in there and then do that. And then, like, kind of just really weird. Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. Let's get a nice close of that drip.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's good.
Wait, let me see
that's
that
hot.
real quick.
Mix it up. Oh.
Yeah, you listen to that? Okay, so now that you have that in there, I'm gonna actually show you guys what your product should look like. Yes, you're like,
So far.
what's the point of having the
Oh, that's disgusting.
your shells? It's not disgusting. Sure,
Beautiful.
still this.
Yeah, it tastes great. You're just gonna love it.
Listen.
It's pure protein, guys.
You can kind of see it at the bottom, but basically you're gonna want to keep the shell in there because
Shells have protein. It's like a
it
protein
keeps the
shake, guys.
crunch.
Sprite Cranberry has that like protein. You
Now
know?
listen, the next product that we have right here is actually just some cranberry juice. Now you're like, well, of
see
course,
it.
but it's not carbonated. Exactly, but that's the next step.
But that's the point.
You can't really see it.
You guys smell that? You probably
yeah,
can't.
you can see it a
See?
little.
Oh, well, it's on me.
All right.
tastes like
Anyway,
wine.
you saw it.
Tastes like wine.
Okay. Anyway, you're gonna want to take the cup with the egg in it, right?
Get a nice close up with that.
I know it's kind of like we keep walking over, but it's like whatever.
Oh, that's hot. That is hot.
No, you don't want to mix it yet, because
Okay. Now you're gonna want to dispose of this, your other stuff properly. Okay, let's continue.
next step. Not that's not it. This is it.
Now we need to.
Don't get the label.
Yeah, we can't show you the label, guys. So we have to carbonate.
It's seltzer. Okay.
Yeah, but
Seltzer
we won't tell you what
Club
brand.
soda, seltzer
soda.
water, Sprite works.
And see, you're gonna want to make sure you mix it up.
No.
Yes.
It's
yes.
cold out.
It's okay. So now, use a cup. Okay. We're gonna. Oh, the camera got effed. But whatever. If you can hold this, I'm gonna pour this in.
All right. You can kind of see that we're kind of filming on.
Yeah. See,
Oh,
we're
yes.
pouring it in.
It's actually warm.
Just
Okay, there we go.
get all of it in there. Yeah. Make sure it gets nice and mixed up.
I'm gonna have egg on my floor.
It's good, guys.
Let's actually adjust it. We're gonna adjust the camera real quick. We might put a little 10 years later, but it's cold. Okay guys, it's fine. We're good. We're alive. We're live. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, guys. Now, you see, after you do that, there might be some foam on top. Now, what you want to do is you want to scoop out that foam.
Don't get it on.
You don't want foam in this. You don't want foam in your delicious.
Delicious.
Whatever this is.
Delicious.
Next
Now
step.
you're gonna want to take. This is basically off-brand Windex because I
Poor.
haven't been paid yet by YouTube, so.
Hi, it's Nico. Sorry to stop you mid-video, but Just Bilf is selling official Just Bilf logo stickers for $5 starting in early February, so be ready. We now return to your regularly scheduled stupidity.
You're gonna want to take
Calling
this.
you out, YouTube.
Anyway, are you gonna want to take this?
A nice skirt. Yeah. That's hot.
Ready?
That's hot.
Ready for this? You can kind of see the egg at the top.
Now you can see the egg. It looks a little bit like piss. but that's okay.
That's the good part.
That's the good part. All right. And now finally, the best step to give the flavor that true goodness. We gotta mix it with our trowel. Like I said,
that's not actually final step because then we were gonna show you what it looks like. So we're gonna transfer it to another cup.
You want to make sure never use a clean spoon. Don't use clean forks, clean knives.
No,
you want to use a nice, dirty, rusty trowel. It should have been left in the rain for at least a week, and then you should be good to go.
Also, it needs to be in contact with a few pumpkins. Also, it needs to be rusted over, and your parents have to yell at you for doing that.
We didn't use this for the pumpkin video.
Yeah.
That was the smoothie.
Well,
the
we used it. I don't know. Well, we did use it at one point for that one. I'm pretty sure, but I think we deleted it.
So let's mix this thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
You can actually hear the egg crunch a little bit.
So you kind of want to use like a blender and just turn that good stuff.
Yeah, look at that. You see that? See that?
You probably
right
can't, but
there?
whatever.
See that? Right.
It's okay if it gets out of the cup. We're gonna scoop some out. We're gonna show you what that looks like.
Oh man, no, you don't want to lose that though.
No, you don't want to. No, if this happens, put it right back in the cup. Crunch it up a bit. You gotta make sure it's nice and crunched
Chef
up.
Boyardee in here, my guys.
That's copyrighted, Eden.
Okay. It's a name, so whatever. And I can say it. Chef Boyardee. He uses raw eggs. No, they don't. They don't use raw eggs. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, this is basically. So you know how we made like a smoothie and like a pie. This is like just like a side thing. This is your dessert, other than the pie, or your like main course.
Our last step is to pour it into this clear cup to show you all.
Filled with weak old water.
It smells like water.
And vinegar.
Vinegar. So we're gonna carefully pour this in. No, not all of it, because you gotta make sure. That's hot. Alright, and now we gotta show you our final product.
Oh, that's my birds.
So take a look. You can see a little bit of chunk in that. You can also see that there's a little bit of texture in there if you look closely. There's also a bit of yellow. So we'll just get a close up of this real quick. Thank you. If you take a look, you can see a little bit of yellow. Let's just get really close, and it kind of looks like really thick orange juice, or it actually looks a lot like our pineapple smoothie, to be honest. But that's only because it's an orange cup.
That's because we mix it together.
Ew.
Yeah, just do whatever you. Did you?
Oh no, this smells horrible. I mean, it smells great, guys. You should try it. Smell it. Smell it.
I can't smell.
Don't do it. Don't drink it.
My nose doesn't work. Yeah, I said that.
Should we drink it? Guys, if you want us to drink this in the future, comment below yes. Because we'll do it.
If you comment below no, then I'm not going to do it. If one person comments below no, then I'm not going to do it.
And if 12 people comment yes, we'll drink it.
Yes. So if one says no and 12 says yes, it'll do a coin flip. But, or more than 12. But, yeah. So it's a 12-to-1 ratio. A 1-to-12 ratio. And, oh, it smells like Fruit Loops. Expired.
Expired Fruit Loops, guys.
That's what it smells like.
Sprite Cranberry. It's official. Sprite Cranberry sounds like expired Fruit Loops. Buy it today for $3.99.
If you guys actually like want to buy this, like hit us up. I'll actually put it in like my freezer or something.
We will freeze,
my freezer.
We'll freeze it. We'll ship it to you guys. It is $3.99 on Amazon. We will literally put the link in the description below.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will. I will.
That's my dog. Okay. Anyway, guys. Yeah, that's my dog. Anyway, guys. So we're gonna finish the video by showing you what we do with the excess remains.
Pour it on the ground.
Okay. All right, ready?
Now let's get a nice.
You see, this is where the pumpkin video was. You can see there's still some remains left, even though.
Pineapple. Jesus.
All right, ready?
Pour it out. Dump it. Just dump it.
It's egg.
All of it. Tip it over. Yeah, and there's the shell, guys. Let's get like a nice look at that.
And look at the bottom of the cup. It leaked
It's
through.
beautiful.
Yes. Oh, wait, we're not done.
Beautiful.